In this video, you'll learn how to start with Framer in just a few minutes, so you can begin designing stunning websites without writing a single line of code. First, go to framer.com and sign up for a free account. You can sign in with Google, email, or your Apple ID. Once you're in, Framer will take you straight to your dashboard where all your projects will live. Next, click New Project to create your first website. You can start from a blank canvas for full creative freedom, or pick from Framer's beautiful templates to get a head start with professional designs. Now, take a quick tour of the editor. On the left, you'll find your pages and layers. In the middle is the canvas, and on the right is the Properties panel, where you can customize every element with just a few clicks. After that, start designing. Drag and drop text, images, buttons, and sections onto your canvas, then customize colors, fonts, and layouts to match your style. Everything updates in real time as you create. Once your website looks great, you can add animations, connect a CMS, and make it fully responsive for mobile. When you're ready, hit publish, and your site goes live instantly with a free Framer subdomain or your own custom domain. And that's it. You now know how to start with Framer, and you're ready to build your first professional website with confidence.